So next we can see the positive and negative clipper. So let me select the components. So the first component is voltage source. So we can select that, and next one is resistor value. So resistor we can rotate by using the rotator option. And next one will be your main component, that is your diode and your supply. So by using the wire we can connect it. So ground we didn't connect, so that one also we can connect it. So once the connection was over, we can give the values for the voltage. We can go to advanced and assign and amplitude and frequency 1 kilohertz. Okay. Then we can give the voltage source as 2 volt and the resistor value as 1k, and the diode we have to pick the new diode, that is IN4148. Okay, once we have given the values to all the components, we can go to the simulate and edit the simulation, and the stop time is 3 millisecond and okay. So now this one we have to place it in the appropriate place and we can run the simulation. So once you click near the diode, you will get the output. So if you compare with the input, so the positive, this is a positive clipper which clipped at the positive side. So green one is your output. So next one we can see the negative clipper. So the only change we have to do is we have to change the diode direction. So just in the same circuit we can edit it, and now we have changed the diode position. So this next you just run it, and if you click near the diode you will get the negative clipper where the negative has been clipped. So if you want to compare with the input, so the blue one is your input where the negative has been clipped. So this is actually the output of positive and negative clipper. Thank you.